Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Robinhood for investing step by step clearly. Download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Sign Up to create your account. Enter your personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Create a strong password to secure your account. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Complete the identity verification process by providing your social security number and date of birth. Answer a few questions about your investing experience and financial situation. Link your bank account to fund your Robinhood account. Deposit funds into your Robinhood account using the linked bank account. Once funds are available, navigate to the home screen of the app. Select the search icon to find stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. Browse through the available options and tap on the one you're interested in. Review the stock details, including price, performance, and news. Tap the trade button to proceed with your investment. Choose whether to buy or sell, then enter the number of shares or amount you wish to invest. Select the order type: market, limit, or stop order based on your preference. Review your order details for accuracy before proceeding. Swipe up to submit your order. Receive confirmation once your order is executed. Monitor your investments in the Portfolio tab for real-time updates. Explore the news and research sections for insights and information to guide future investments. Practice good investment strategies, such as diversification and regular reviewing of your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.